Once again, IIT Aspirants JEE 2024, a very special problem for you in physics. On the basis of my experience, मैं वही क्वेश्चन लेकर आता हूँ आपके पास जो हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी है JEE 2024 में आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर का हिस्सा हो. Got it? A smart problem. Situation is एक रिवर दिया हुआ है, width of the river is D. तीन सिचुएशन दे दिया है. In this case, water is still, water is not moving. The swimmer starts to swim and comes back to the same position. Time taken is T1 given in the question. Second situation, the swimmer swims upstream. Distance D is equal to the width of the river. And again moves downstream, distance D. Total time taken is T2. Situation is given. दो दे दिया. तीसरा, the swimmer starts from here, crosses the river and then comes back to the same shore. Total time taken is T3. What they are asking is, what is the relation between T1, T2 and T3 relationship? A, B, C, D. Right choice में टिक करोगे, हजारों स्टूडेंट्स को पीछे छोड़ के आगे निकल जाओगे. So we are going to solve it smartly, boys and girls. See, damn easy situation. Swimmer ऊपर जाता है, वापस आता है, distance D. So total distance is 2D. अगर 2D को let us assume करना है. Let us assume the velocity of man as v. इसे ले लेते हैं v and velocity of water be u. इसे assume कर लेते हैं. So velocity of man से divide करेंगे swimmer की velocity से, we get the equation time t1 निकल गया. So ये time t1 निकल गया, इसे लिख के रख देते हैं इसी बॉक्स में, that 2d by velocity of man. Situation is over. We are going to attack the next situation. Here, the swimmer moves upstream a distance d. So time taken to move upstream is, of course, d divided by relative velocity in the upstream movement is velocity of man minus velocity of water. जब downstream जाता है, distance travel is d and relative velocity this time is velocity of man plus velocity of water downstream movement में. This total time is equal to given T2. So if you solve this one, taking D as common and 1 by V minus U plus 1 V plus U को solve करेंगे, what result you are going to get is, I am writing down here, rough work कर लीजिएगा, T2 you are going to get 2 D V by V square minus U square. इसे solve कीजिएगा, rough work कर लीजिएगा, easy. So we got the second situation is also over. So time T1 and T2 का relation ऐसा निकाल के रख दिए. Now T3 is very important. The man is moving, crossing the river. Water is flowing this way. So water will take the man to this position because flow of water. Okay. So man takes this path. Okay. Now again he swims back. He takes this path because water is flowing this way. वो उसे push करके यहाँ लेके चल जाएगा. What is total time is T3. यानी कि एक path का distance time is T3 by 2. Now if we multiply time T3 by 2 into velocity of man, we'll get this distance. Using the Pythagoras theorem, this D, width of the river is capital D. So we'll see this movement, this displacement of water is, इधर लिख देते हैं, this will be velocity of water into time taken is T3 by 2. ये मिल गया, ये distance. Using the Pythagoras theorem, this square plus this square, d square is actually this distance, that is velocity of man T3 by 2 का whole square hypotenuse. If you solve this one, beautiful result you are going to get. इसे मिटा के result इसी box के अंदर लिख देता हूँ, इसी river पे. You'll get T3 का square you are going to get is 4d square v square minus u square. So तीन different relationship we got it. Now the time आ गया अब इसे solve करने का. आप एक काम करो, T3 square by T2 लिखोगे, what you are going to get 4d square v square minus v square divided by this one T2, that is 2 dv v square minus u square. This goes. Ultimately the result, net result is, कहाँ लिखता हूँ? Net result लिख देता हूँ, चलो इधर ही लिख देता हूँ, इसको काटोगे, ultimately you are going to get, what you are going to get is 4d square, okay, and उसको नीचे में क्या था, 2dv मिलेगा, काटोगे, ultimately you are going to get 2d by v, 2d by v, okay, but 2d by v is t1, so the result is 2d by v, which is equal to t1. Now you can write down t3 square is equal to t1 into t2. Smart result. A B C में टिक करोगे, डायरेक्ट IIT बॉम्बे। आपके माँ बाप के सपनों को साकार होने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता। फॉलो मी एंड फॉलो माई चैनल, और अपने फेवरेट चैनल और टीचर जिसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं उसे जरूर फॉलो करते रहिए अप टू JEE 2024। ओके, टेक केयर बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स।